Are you tired of spending hours creating stunning graphics and illustrations for your projects? Look no further. In this groundbreaking video, I will introduce you to an innovative app that will revolutionize the way you create visual content. Say goodbye to the days of struggling with complicated graphic tools or hiring expensive designers. With this app, you can turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing 4K graphics in an instant without any graphic skills or tools required. Imagine having the power to create unlimited image graphics, illustrations, and photos effortlessly. AI Graphics Factory, innovative app in just one click, turns simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, stunning 4K graphics instantly with no graphic skills or tools. Latest and most advanced text-to-image model, create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos for your blogs, websites, social media, and more. Whether you're a small business owner, a social media manager, or a content creator, this app is a game changer. It's time to take your visuals to the next level and captivate your audience with stunning designs that will leave them speechless. Revolutionize your visual content creation. Turn simple words into mesmerizing, attention-grabbing, stunning graphics that sell instantly in one click. Create unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, and photos for your blogs, websites, social media, and more, powered by the latest and most advanced model SDXL 1.0. Get the first mover advantage and dominate your market while others are still using old, outdated tools and resources. Stand out from your competitors and skyrocket your reach, engagement, traffic, and sales. Save thousands of dollars on costly memberships, freelancers, and outsourcers. Never again waste hours looking for good stock photos. Never get sued for using copyrighted images. Get access to over 50 million royalty-free stock images, videos, 3D renders, and photos that you can use for your projects. Low one-time price launch period only. Free commercial license to sell. Use any resource for your own or client projects. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool. Start creating professional quality graphics without the hassle. Try AI Graphics Factory today and unleash your creativity. Check out the description box now.